Yo guys, welcome to this new video. Today we talk about the crypto market, the forex market, that kind of stuff. We have a lot of heavy fundamentals this week. First we go to the euro slash dollar. I write my positions down. What I wanna see is we have here support. So we respect the support from this candle. We have here a fair value gap and here a fair value gap. First of all, I want to see that we reject the first fair value gap. Then we come back to this area in the fair value gap, also in the golden zone. So that's a point of interest for me. So I want to see that we reject back, and when I see that, we can possible a long position. So that's my position for the euro slash dollar next week. Then we go to the pond. On the 4 hour, last week we write this down. It was not really good because we are really high for a long position. What I want to see is this the low of the highest high. That high makes a lower low, and that low makes a higher high. So that's the high range and that's the low range. I want to see that we come back to this area. It's also the fair value gap from this candle comes back in my golden zone. So that's good. I set my alert on in the golden zone. So when it comes here, it's alert me, and then I check the market, what it do, and maybe we can trade. So I want to see that we reject this fair value gap, also in the golden zone, and from there we go. I want to see bullish order flow, and if we see that are the entry points for me, the point of interest. If I don't see that, I don't trade. So it's very simple. Keep it simple for yourself. Follow your rules, follow your plan, and that's the only thing you need. So if we see that next week, then I have interest in a long position on the pound. I think it's a really good analyze, because the golden zone don't lie. If you test it back in the time, you see the price comes always back in the golden zone. So that's the 61.8 or the 78.6. So, and that's also my strategy for. Okay, then we go to the Dixie. Dixie gives this week a big spike, so we break the structure here. What I want to see, that we come back, reject this fair value gap, or we have two changes. Or we go down to this liquidity, or we go up to this liquidity, and we want to see bullish structure, also bullish order flow. But yeah, this week it was really choppy. We have a lot of heavy fundamentals, also for the dollar, the euro. So, and if you have a week with a lot of fundamentals, it's normal to stay away from the market, because it's so choppy that you see a lot of spikes and a lot of candles. So for yourself, keep it simple and don't look too much. Okay, we go to gold. Gold was choppy. Oh, we see this consolidation. So that's you don't want to trade in this consolidation. So for me, next week we have two choices: we go up or we go down. What I want to see is that we take liquidity here or here. So that's also the range. If that happens, I'm interested in a long position. Then I set my Fibonacci tool from this side to this, and you see we have here support and here. So if we reject this area, I set my alert. If we reject this, I am interested in a long position. That's my pre-market analyze for gold. Then as last one, we go to the ETH chart. Yeah, ETH is really high now. We are 2 or 3 days bearish now. The position was not really good, because we are high. We are super high of the range. We see here a rally, a couple days. Then we see here consolidation. Here we broke the structure. So for now we are bearish. If we go on the higher time frame, on the daily, we see we have here a fair value gap, here and here. So that's the area, the golden zone, where I have interest in, my point of interest. So I want to see that we reject this fair value gap coming down to reject this. Also we see a consolidation here or here. In the bad thing, we go more down to fill this thing up, to reject this allemaal, and then we go further to the upside. So that are my conclusions for next week. The perfect way I want to see on the daily is if we go to this area straight up, giving bullish order flow here, and then we go to the 4000. That's the best thing for me I want to see. So for now it's really choppy, so I'm just waiting, when that's the job of a trader. For now I have this, what I want to see for next week, If I don't see it, I don't trade, and I also let you know in the next video if this was right or if there are any other choices. So that was the video. I hope you like the video. My English is also a little bit better, so that's good for me and also for you. You guys listen. So I want to say I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I see you on to the next video. Ciao ciao.